So next what we're going to do is we're going to use simple interest to figure out compound interest actually. So in this case it says that Tim borrows $2,500 from his dad and his dad charges him 6% simple interest that he compounds over 4 years. Okay, so complete the table to show how much Tim is going to owe at the end of the 4 years. So we know that the starting principal is going to be $2,500. Oops, that didn't work. It's going to be $2,500. We know that the interest is going to be, so this is our R value, and that's going to be 0.06. So the interest is equal to P times R times T. So the interest is going to be equal to $2,500 times 0.06. And the amount of time, we want to just figure it after 1 year. So the time period is 1 year. So the interest is going to be 2,500 times 0.06. That's going to be $150. So if I want to figure out the final amount, again, the amount is always the principal plus the interest. So this is going to equal $2,650. Okay, so I'm going to add $150 to to 2,500. So at the end of the first year, he owes his dad $2,650. Because this is compounded, when we start the next year, what we do with this table is we take the final year ending amount and we move it in here. Okay? So what we're going to end up doing is in year 2, instead of starting with a borrowed amount of 2,500, he actually starts with a borrowed amount of 2,650. Okay? And then we calculate the interest on 2,650. So in this case, the interest is going to be 2,650 times the same interest rate, because they didn't change the interest rate. So 2,650 times 0.06 is going to equal 159. Okay, and then the final amount is going to be 159 plus the 2,650, so 2,809. Okay. Similarly, in year 3, we're going to start off again. We're going to take that year ending amount and bring it over here. Okay. So now we're going to go 2,809, and we're going to multiply that by 0.06. That's going to give me 168 and 54 cents. And then I'm going to add 2,809 to that to give me my final amount, which is 2,977.54. And then in the final year, he starts off owing 2,977.54. His interest is going to be $176 or $78 rather and 65 cents. And then we add that to our starting amount to give us a grand total of 31,56.19. Okay, so at the end of 4 years, he's going to owe his dad $3,100 or 31,56.19. Okay, and so we can use simple interest in order to calculate compound interest if we use this chart.